Hey everyone, Mike here with Recursive AI, and today I want to walk you through this website that we just pushed live that we built with the help of our newly available software development tool, CodeSnipe. CodeSnipe is an AI software development pairing tool that works alongside you to speed up your software development tasks at a rate of about 10 times the speed that you could perform compared to coding on your own. This website is a feature-rich environment, and we were able to develop it within 2.5 hours for only $40 in credits, which is quite quick. If you were an experienced developer, you might be able to build this in about a week. And if you're an inexperienced developer, it would take you far longer, but we were able to do it in just about 2.5 hours using CodeSnipe. Let's walk through some of the features so that we can get a feel for how feature rich this environment is and why it's impressive with how quickly we built it. The website is live. You can see at the top that the URL is nanojournal.net. You can type this into your browser and go access it for yourself to play around with this journal entry app. Now, some of the features that you can't see is that it was built using user login with server-side data persistence, which would have been a big undertaking on its own, but it also includes features such as the total number of journal entries here in the center, your current streak for journal entries, and then your best streak for journal entries. It also includes a hidden but accessible daily push notifications for journal entries to remind users to perform their journaling once per day. Now let's start at the top and let's look through the visual UI that you can actually see on the website. Starting at the top, we can see today's date, February 3rd, Monday, and on the left-hand side, we've got a -1 day button to decrease the date by one, and we also have a +1 day button to increase the date to seamlessly move between dates for our journal entries. We also have this hidden but intuitive date picker. If you were to click on the date itself, this will allow you to quickly navigate between different months or years to select the exact dates you want and go back and journal in past days that have already elapsed. But we'll just keep it on February 3rd for now. In the center, we have this text box with placeholder text of what's on your mind. And if we were to type in here just hello world, keeping it simple, what we'll see is when I actually hit enter, it'll increase the stats. So we now have 28 total entries, and our current streak and best streak have both increased by one as we've entered today's journal entry. Now let's scroll down, and what we can see in the center here is we have the journal entries grouped by month and year for when they were entered into our system. On the right here, we have a very intuitive and easy to use time-lapse bar that also includes haptic feedback that allows you to scroll quite seamlessly back in time without needing to scroll through every single entry that we've posted. There's also this accessible kebab menu item on every single journal entry where we can edit the entry, and we'll just type a simple woo here, and that's now edited the entry. We can also delete the entry. If you hit delete, you'll see the stats update and move you back one day for your streak and total entries. And again, this is all accessible. It's been pushed live, and we built it within 2.5 hours for only $40 in credits. Whereas if you were building this on your own without the use of CodeSnipe, this would take you well over a week to recreate. You can check out the website CodeSnipe.net to gain access to CodeSnipe. And our challenge to you is let's see what you can build with CodeSnipe and how quickly you can build it. Show us how impressive you can be in less than 3 hours for about $40 in credits. And the winning submission will earn a $100 in Amazon gift cards.